Your home's entry door is more than just a functional feature. It's the first impression guests see, the barrier that protects your family, and a key element that shapes your home's overall curb appeal. In Pell City, where homeowners value style, comfort, and long-term durability, modern entry door designs have become a popular upgrade. Whether you own a new build or an older home in need of refreshing, today's entry doors offer benefits that go far beyond a simple aesthetic update. If you're considering a home improvement project, here's why more Pell City homeowners are choosing modern entry doors. Modern entry doors enhance curb appeal instantly. Your front door sets the tone for your entire home's exterior. Outdated, worn, or faded doors can make the rest of your property look tired, even if everything else is in good condition. Modern entry door designs offer clean lines, bold finishes, and a wide selection of styles to match any architectural look found in Pell City neighborhoods. Whether you prefer sleek contemporary fiberglass, classic craftsman-style doors, rustic wood look finishes, decorative glass panels, there's a modern design that can elevate your home's aesthetic instantly. Many homeowners are surprised by how much impact a new door makes, often transforming the entire exterior with just one upgrade. Better energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Pell City experiences hot summers, cool winters, and plenty of humidity throughout the year. Older doors often lack proper insulation, leading to drafts, heat loss, and uncomfortable temperature fluctuations. Modern entry doors are engineered for energy efficiency with insulated cores, multi-layer weather-stripping, tight seals that prevent air leaks, advanced materials that resist warping. By improving the door's thermal performance, new entry doors help keep your home cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, and more comfortable year-round. Many Pell City homeowners notice a reduction in energy bills immediately after upgrading. Stronger security features for peace of mind. Protecting your home and family is a top priority. Today's entry doors are built with advanced security features that outperform older, thinner, or damaged doors. New designs often include reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, impact-resistant materials, durable fiberglass or steel panels. For families in Pell City who want added peace of mind, upgrading to a modern entry door means stronger protection without sacrificing style. Low-maintenance materials built to last. Modern entry doors are designed to withstand Pell City's varying weather conditions with minimal upkeep. Unlike traditional wood doors, newer materials resist rot, dents, rust, and fading. Popular low-maintenance options include fiberglass, mimics real wood while resisting warping, cracking, and moisture damage. Steel, strong, secure, and perfect for homeowners needing maximum durability. Composite, a blend of materials that holds up exceptionally well over time. These materials require far less maintenance, saving you time and money while keeping your entryway looking beautiful for years. Customization options to match your personal style. Modern entry door designs offer exceptional versatility, giving Pell City homeowners the freedom to personalize their home's first impression. You can choose from dozens of colors and stains, frosted or decorative glass sidelights and transoms, unique panel patterns, hardware in stylish finishes. With so many options, it's easy to create a door that reflects your personality and complements your home's architecture. Increased home value and buyer appeal. If you're thinking about selling your Pell City home in the future, upgrading your entry door is one of the highest ROI improvements you can make. Buyers notice beautiful entryways immediately, and a modern, energy-efficient door suggests that the rest of the home is well cared for. In fact, new entry doors often recoup much of their cost in added resale value, making this upgrade both practical and profitable. Final thoughts. Modern entry door designs offer the perfect combination of style, durability, security, and energy efficiency. For Pell City homeowners looking to refresh their home's appearance or improve comfort and performance, upgrading the entry door is a smart investment with noticeable results. A beautifully designed modern entry door doesn't just improve the way your home looks, it enhances the way you live every day.